A very good morning, young learners. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, I welcome you in today's EVS class. Today's date is 11th of August 2021. Children, as we are studying lesson 5, a house to live in. So children, first we will quickly do revision of this lesson. Lesson 5, a house to live in. So let's begin. Children, we all live in a house. You can see this picture of house on the screen. We all live in a house. House keep us safe. It protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind. It also protects us from animals and thieves. So children, the house in which we live with our family is called our home. Again I am repeating this, children, listen very carefully. The house in which we live with our family is called our home. We have also studied different type of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Different type of houses. Here we have studied in this chapter Kacha house and Pakka house. Now children, you can see here the picture of Kacha house and a picture of Pakka house. This is a picture of Kacha house. You can see it is a hut. It is example of Kacha house and it is made up by using mud, straw, wood, stones, dry leaves. And these houses are temporary and not very strong. These houses are temporary and not very strong. Next is Pakka house. We have studied, children. Pakka house are made up by using bricks, iron rods, cement, etc. These kind of houses are called permanent houses. These are built very strong and Pakka houses cannot be moved and these are fixed. We have also studied about houseboat. Houseboat is a moving house mostly made up of wood. This is a picture of igloo. It is made up of blocks of hard snow. You can see the picture of igloo and the people who live in such houses are called Eskimo. Now children, these are the houses with sloping roof and you will find these houses in hilly areas, heavy rainfall areas and snowfall areas. So these kind of houses having sloping roof. Now children, this is the picture of caravan, a moving house in the form of a vehicle made up of metal and we call it caravan. Next is a picture of tent, and it is made up of canvas cloth held by poles and ropes, and it is a temporary house. It is an example of temporary house. Children, we have learned that a good house is the one which is neat and clean. It should have doors and windows to allow sunlight and fresh air to come inside the house. Now children, it's time to do some exercises in EVS notebook. So take out your EVS notebook. Here we are going to do tick the correct answer. This question we are going to do in EVS notebook. So children, first question is, we live in a, two options are given here, jungle, house. We live in a jungle or house? Yes, it's house. We live in a house. So put a tick in front of the correct answer. Boxes are given here. So put a tick in the box. So we live in a house. We live in a house. Now the next question is, a house protect us from, options are A, heat, B, playing. So children, we have learned in this chapter that a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind. It also protects from animals, thieves. So in the option you will see that heat is given. So what we have to do? We have to put a tick in front of heat because heat is the right answer. Now what is the next question? Next question is question 3. Kacha houses are found in villages, cities. Where do you get these houses? Yes children, yes. You will see these kind of houses in villages. So villages is the right answer. So put a tick in front of villages. In cities you will get big buildings, and all buildings, big buildings are made up of bricks, iron, cement, and in villages you will get houses like huts and the houses that are made up of mud, straw, wood, stones, dry leaves. So these kind of houses are called kacha houses, and we see these kind of houses in villages. So villages is the right answer. Now children, next question is, when we go to adventure we sleep in, options are tents, bungalows. So children, read the question. When we go to adventure we sleep in tents or bungalows. So correct answer is tents, because tents can be moved easily and these are made up of canvas cloth held by poles and ropes. So you can carry it easily, you can move it easily. So tent is the right answer. Next question is, which house is made up of bricks and cement? Options are A, pakka house, B, kacha house. So children, pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement, iron rod. So The correct answer is Pakka house. And Kacha houses are made up of mud, straw, wood, stone, dry leaves. So, for this question, right answer is Pakka house. Now the next question is, which house is called floating house? Which house is called floating house? Options are A. Tent, B. Houseboat. Now children, houseboat is the right answer. So put a tick in front of houseboat. Houseboat is a moving house and it is made up of wood. It is a floating house. So put a tick in front of houseboat. Now children, moving to the next question. Question is, tents are made up of thick cloth called, options are A. Cotton, B. Canvas. Children, we have studied this question. Learn this thing that tents are made up of thick clothes and these are called canvas. So canvas is the right answer. Put a tick in front of B option. Next question is, we can see houseboats in, options Kashmir or Delhi. Two locations are given here, Kashmir and Delhi. So children, think where you can see houseboats. Yes, Kashmir is the right answer. So children, now do all these questions in your EVS notebook. This is all for today's class. It's time to say bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Enjoy learning. Bye-bye children.